to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a lipstick haul and review. I picked up some lipsticks by Mented Cosmetics, which you guys know I'm absolutely loving Mented. I've been wearing their products for over a year now and I'm absolutely in love with the brands. Recently, they had a promotion for a National Lipstick Day. They had all their lipsticks buy one, get one free. So I definitely picked up some lipsticks and I'm going to share them all with you. I'm going to do kind of a review and swatch up the lipsticks of what I picked up. I did get some goodies. So guys, let's just get into the swatches. So I have all of these lippies to swatch and share with you guys. All right guys, I'm going to start swatching the new lip products I got from Mented Cosmetics. I think I'm going to start with the glosses, and then I have some liquid lipsticks. I have one of my favorites. So let's just start with the glosses. So this is the first one. This is Mented Loud and Clear Lip Gloss. I believe, guys, this is a clear gloss. So here it is. It's a clear lip gloss. Swatch it. I mean, this is clear. I'm gonna do a swatch and kind of review the finish. It has that beautiful vanilla scent. Goes on smooth. Goes on smooth. It's really that same formula as the regular lip gloss. This is the most hydrating lip gloss I've ever tried, and I keep saying that, but guys, lip gloss for me has not been something I've enjoyed because I hate sticky, thick, drying lip glosses. Like your hair's getting caught in it and it's just thick and just like you can't even smooth it on. It feels like glue or something going on your lips. So it's been something I've been on the hunt for so long, and this does the trick. This would definitely be a good topper for other lip products as well. But it does look good on its own. Gives your lips like that nice glow, but not too shiny, not like that glass finish. So really like that. One thing about the lip gloss, it says that this lip gloss is shiny and smooth without overdoing it and provides just the right amount of color to add some pep to your step. All our lip glosses are vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, and proudly made in the USA. The glosses are buildable. So the next one is Mauve Over, which I have tried before, but it's like a perfect, let me just put this on here, apply it to my lips. And I'm not using any liners because I just want you guys to see what the products look like on their own without me adding lip liners. This is the perfect mauve-y, My Lips But Better color. Mauve Over. Other mauves can move over because this one is deeply pigmented to give even the darkest lips a gorgeous soft pink shine. I absolutely love this color. It's like the perfect day, anytime lip gloss, easiest color to put on, and it's like you can just apply it even without a mirror because it's just so easy going. So really do like that. So the next lip gloss is the Baby Brown. It's like a beautiful brown shade. This is the swatch of Baby Brown. Cannot wait to see what this looks like. I've wanted to get like a brown lipstick or lip gloss for fall. So let's see what this looks like. Oh yes. Look at that, guys. Guys, look at this color. It's a beautiful brown. I would wear this with a brown lip liner just to make sure I have a more polished look, because with lip gloss you don't want it to look messy. I would use a lip liner with this color, but this is baby brown. What do you guys think? Baby brown, this gorgeous brown hue is the brown you've been waiting for. I really like this color. Definitely a nice color for, I think, fall. This is definitely a gloss I'd wear for nighttime. Alright guys, so the next colors I am super excited about because it's my first time trying this formula. This is their liquid lipsticks. Shades I got Hot Date and Blacker the Berry. Say hello to our new favorite liquid lipstick. Our Sangria collection has a velvety matte finish that will leave your lips feeling smooth while still offering all-day wear. Each shade offers a subtle pop of color that's perfect for daytime and playful for nighttime. All lipsticks are vegan, paraben-free, non-toxic, cruelty-free, and proudly made in the USA. I'm gonna start with Hot Date. Ooh, look at Hot Date. And let me swatch it on my hands. This is Hot Date, and let that dry. About the application of this, feels like super lightweight. Guys, I love this color. Very nice. And this is still drying down, but this is Hot Date. Hot Date is described as a soft chocolate brown. I actually really like Hot Date. It is, although it's a brown color, on my skin tone it's definitely like a deeper neutral that I could wear probably day or night. It's not too deep where I wouldn't wear it in the warmer months. This is not just like a fall winter shade for me. It's something I'd wear year round. It's a beautiful finish, and this is my first time trying their liquid lipstick, so it feels very lightweight, not like chalky or drying at all. I love liquid lipsticks that feel like nothing. And yeah, let's do the kiss test. I'm gonna kiss my hand and let's see if there's transfer. Nope. No transfer, guys. So that is the best test. So this is definitely date night approved. Wearing a liquid lipstick that's super matte is already like a very, to me, sexy, sultry vibe. But when you know that it's kiss proof and it's like no transfer, and yes, love it. The last liquid lipstick, which is Blacker the Berry. Look at this. Red. Let's swatch this on my hand. That's a fresh swatch, but we need to let that dry down. Is what the swatches dry down. Guys, love it. It is so good. This is described as a deep crimson, which is like always my favorite. Really like the liquid lipstick. The finish is great. Really pigmented, beautiful color. Look, I mean, even look at Hot Date compared to Blacker the Berry. It's just like the perfect shades. I'm so excited about them, but I'm even more excited about this formula, guys, because the formula is giving long-lasting, lightweight, like everything you would want in a liquid lipstick. So excited about it. My lips are stained with Blacker the Berry. It's not coming off, but I did want to show you guys Red Rover, which is my favorite lipstick by Mented Cosmetics. I talk about it all the time, and I wore it, I think, in my last review video. Look how beautiful the lipstick bullet is, though. All black matte packaging. It says Mented here in black as well. I love that all blacked out look. This is Red Rover. Look how gorgeous. That's Red Rover right here. So guys, this is Red Rover. For me, the best red lipstick. I love the color. It's my favorite lipstick by Mented for sure. Just look how vibrant that looks. The perfect red. Guys, that's it. That is all the swatches of the lipsticks I picked up. Honestly, my favorites are the liquid lipstick formulas, Hot Date and Blacker the Berry. Those really impressed me. Liquid lipsticks are kind of hard to pull off, similar to lip glosses, but they nailed lip glosses as well. And the liquid lipstick formula I absolutely love. So I think I did pretty good with my haul. Guys, you comment below, tell me what was your favorite lip swatch that I tried today. Which color was your favorite? I did mention I picked these up during their BOGO. They had a buy one get one free on all their lipsticks, so I did pick up a few. I'm gonna put my code below, Zara Justina. If you use my code shopping at Mented, you will receive an additional 15% off your order. So yeah, definitely look out for when they have promotions, but they usually always have something going. And if you use my code Zara Justina, you'll receive an additional 15% off your total. I will also list and link below all the products that I featured in today's video. But that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed to my channel, definitely subscribe. I talk about fashion, lifestyle, travel, and sometimes beauty. So if you're into that, please subscribe and join my online community. Also, don't forget to hit that bell so you can turn on post notifications so you never miss an upload from me. As always, if you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section below. Until next time, guys.